Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today's our topic is animals as a sources of food. Children, we know whatever we eat comes either from the plants or from the animals. And children, you know that the animals have been classified on the basis of the products they yield as a food for the human beings. For example, there are different kinds of food which we obtain from the animals like meat, chicken, fish, cheese, etc. So, children, the main product, milk, which is obtained from cows and the buffaloes, come at the top of the list of the milk yielding animals. Children, you know that the animals which produce the milk are called the milk animals. For example, cow, buffaloes, goat, etc. And in Rajasthan, the people use camels also for the milk. In the hilly areas, the people use reindeers and the yaks for milk. Children, you know that the buffalo's milk is generally used for producing the various milk products. Children, in this chart you can see that the animal products like milk, meat, egg, honey and their examples also. Meat of the animals like goat, chicken and the fish is eaten by the human beings. And the eggs are the example of the animal product which we obtain from hen, duck and turkeys. Children, some poultry birds provide both the meat as well as the eggs. And some marine food like large number of people especially living in the coastal regions fully depend on the fish as their main sources is prawn, shrimps and the rearing and the management of the fish on the large scale is called the pisciculture, in which pisciculture the management of the fish is done on the large scale. Okay, children? Children, this is the example of the apiculture. You know, children, that the food can be obtained from the insects also, and the honeybee is a good example of such insect which collects the nectar from the flower and convert it into the honey. So children, honey is used as a food for the nourishment also and the medicinal purpose also. So children, this is the process of apiculture in which the rearing of the honeybees at the large scale. Children, today we have discussed that the animal products as a food, in which we have discussed milk, meat, eggs, marine food, pisciculture and apiculture also. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Any query you can ask. Children, today is your homework to done the book exercises. Children, I am sharing you the PDF of the book exercises, so you should complete your book exercises. Thank you, children.